Whoa, that's soft. Whoa, 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 whoa. Welcome to Ridge Life. I'm Tim.
I'm Meredith.
And today on Ramblings, we are not on the farm and we are not on the ridge.
I got on your bike with you.
We are on the motorcycle, right? We got the Harley Davidson right there. We are at, what is it, Shelby Forest General Store. Have you eaten here before?
I actually have, yes.
Really?
When I've gone trail riding with my mom and stuff, we'll pull in here with the horses and grab a bite.
I've been by here on the motorcycle several times. This is Shelby Forest State Park, and there's tons of good motorcycle roads. Matter of fact, check this out, guys. There goes a couple of them right there. There we go. So we pulled in here to get a little bite, and I'm gonna take you in the store here in a little bit, maybe even put a little bit of driving around on the motorcycle on here. I'll put the camera on the motorcycle.
And then you guys can see my face like...
Now, what'd you get for lunch?
A grilled cheese.
That's fancy. That's real fancy. I got a fried bologna sandwich. Now, we were gonna get some fried mushrooms, but the fryer's down.
I know, bummer.
So how am I getting a fried bologna sandwich if the fryer's down?
Shh, don't ask.
It's
It's
on the griddle.
Yeah.
Now, I asked for coleslaw because I'll have barbecue sauce and the fried bologna sandwich, and they don't have coleslaw.
It's all right.
So I got cheese and barbecue sauce.
You're a foodie.
But this place is really cool inside. We're gonna take you inside there. What do you think about that big snake skin? I'm gonna show them that. You like the snake skin, didn't you? All right, let's go.
Yeah, that snake cannot be from Shelby Forest.
All right, baby, we got our food. How's yours look?
Looks great.
It's a grilled cheese. You're so fancy.
I know.
What about me?
Yours looks awesome.
Oh.
I even said I might have to have a bite.
And the fryer was down, so we didn't get our fried mushrooms, but I did get some Miss Vicky's jalapeno flavored potato chips. So let's go ahead and we're gonna eat our lunch here, and then we'll give you a tour inside and then get back on the road.
Sounds good.
How was your grilled cheese, baby?
Delicious.
It looked pretty good.
It's nostalgic. It makes me feel like a kid again.
That barbecue sauce is a little spicy. You're not much for barbecue sauce, are you?
You know I like things simple.
Like me, simple.
Oh no, I don't like things. I like my food simple.
All right, let's go over here. This is a pretty cool place, isn't it? It's out. I mean, it's out in the middle of nowhere.
This history sign from
All right.
1934.
History, 1934, forged in the bowels of the Great Depression. Store was only raised in 2003, but now it is for sale, right? For sale by owner. You can get one for yourself.
If only you weren't building the ridge.
All right, let's see what we have inside.
We didn't even know the product was nasty.
Ooh, look at these desserts.
And now it looks like a 20-hour campaign that Brian Sullivan would have designed. Yeah. You know? Yeah.
I love Brian to go up St. Jude.
That's a lot of history right there.
A
lot of history.
700%.
Ooh, look at the geese. Oh, baby. What's this right here? That's a small one. That's a small one compared to what? Yeah.
That squirrel's looking rough. Its tail is seen better days.
They got their own coffee.
A lot of jams.
A lot of jam. Yeah. Oh, baby, and there. That's a snake skin. Look at that.
Well, I knew he was.
Look at that snake skin.
Up there. I knew he was 101. I didn't know.
Hey, baby, where do you
Tell me.
go fishing to use a lure this big?
What I caught you with.
Oh, that's what you had to catch me with? What do we have over here?
Hot pickled garlic. That is, what is this, for vampires?
Well, they don't like werewolves,
I know,
right?
to keep them away
Oh,
or
keep those,
something?
yeah. Oh, look at this. Apple butter barbecue sauce.
Interesting.
Old-fashioned strawberry butter.
Maybe you should we could get a jar and put it in the,
Oh, frog jam. I've heard that's supposed to be pretty good.
we could get a jar and put it in the bite.
Anybody know what frog jam is? If you do, leave a comment down below. Tell us exactly what it is. Ooh. What else we got here? Candied jalapenos.
What's Christmas holiday jam?
Christmas holiday jam. I bet it has peppermint in it. I had to guess. I'm just kidding. Old peach jalapeno jam.
Strawberry jalapeno.
Backerman's Country Market. We actually have a Backerman's over by us, near Somerville. Yeah. This is definitely old country store. Pretty cool. You know what this is right here, babe?
Wasp nest?
Hornet's nest. Yeah, paper wasps. Yeah. Let's go back over here. Ooh. Sesame sticks. Peanuts. Somebody does a lot of hunting, huh? Lots of paper wasps. Oh, look at this. That's a rattlesnake. I'm like, my turkey feathers in my hat.
You ready?
Yep. Come over here. You may encounter American flags, armed citizens, the Lord's Prayer, and country music. That's what I'm talking about. Appreciate you, brother.
Oh, you bet.
You have a great day. Thank you.
God bless America.
Thank you. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get geared up, get it back on the motorcycle. We're gonna take you down to the river, the Mississippi River. Big, old, muddy Mississippi. And when's the time you've been down to the river?
Well, you know, I've driven over the bridge downtown.
No,
Memphis,
down
but-
to the river.
No, it was with you last time we rode the bike.
Okay, well, you all haven't been with us, so be right there. buddy, go! Go, buddy, go! No, yeah. See these gorges? Look how steep they are. There's like 200-foot drop off on either side of us. Heading down to the river, Mississippi River. Going down. Those were mink, otter, or muskrat we just crossed.
I don't know. I couldn't see.
We see raccoon and then ink and well, we saw raccoon too. So this is definitely flooded here. All this dirt on the road. That's bad. Looks like it flooded here recently. All the dirt over the road. No. Oh, look at this. I don't like driving over mud and stuff. This is not supposed to be a gravel road. Yeah, it's totally washed out over here. Look at this. It's like sand. Ugh. Get back up on the high side here. Woo! This is muddy. You didn't tell me I was gonna get my dirt bike dirty, baby. Whoa, that's soft. Whoa, 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 wow. That was crazy, wasn't it? Sorry about that, man. Oh yeah. This thing's got trash control and all that stuff, so it kind of like helps it. river. Drive down to it? I ain't driving down there. You crazy? I can't get back up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Woo.
Look at that sucker moving.
Go stand down there, or go by halfway. Look at her. Woo. Goodness. All right. Let's talk. There you go, guys. The most beautiful sight you'll ever see in West Tennessee, right here in front of you, Meredith.
I know, it's like not the muddy Mississippi.
The muddy Mississippi. Woo.
You really can see all the currents going every single direction.
Oh yeah,
they're
just that way, this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this, guys. Woo. Earthquakes change the direction of this. Isn't that crazy? Reelfoot Lake in Tennessee used to be part of the Mississippi River apparently, and it actually flowed backwards for a time, they say. I don't know if that's myth or lore or what. But earthquakes.
I do know you can drown even with a life jacket on.
Oh, here?
Easy.
Yeah, the whirlpools
under, right?
and all that, they suck you right under. You'll actually see logs come floating down the river and they just go down. And then they'll pop up, you know, way down the river.
Super scary.
What's weird is I don't think most people understand that's about a mile away. This river is about a mile across. And they say in some places it's like 3 miles across, but I don't think right here it's that far. It's definitely a sight to see though, isn't it?
Yep.
It actually doesn't look that muddy today. I don't know why. We haven't had much rain here up north, have we? We're in a drought situation, even though it looked like the road flooded back there. Yeah, this is, you can actually see a rock in the water, babe. Normally this is like
brown.
Yeah. I mean, it's still brown. It's not the ocean, that's for sure. Definitely not the ocean.
It smells a little bit like dead fish.
Luckily, I can't smell anything right now. That road on the way here, the canopy and the the breeze. That felt really good, didn't it?
I know, it's nice. And just as soon as I'm not afraid of other cars being on the road with us, now I'm afraid of deer.
What about raccoon? We saw that raccoon go by.
I'm not afraid of a raccoon.
Well, okay, I'm not going to say. But it did. That looked like a flood had came. You know, the river must have gone up and flooded that area. You can see how high the water gets. I mean, just recently, look at all the driftwood over there.
Yep.
And it does go up above the parking area there, and actually gets up. It gets crazy high. I mean, you can see it across the bank over there. I don't know if you can see. It gets all the way up to the base of those trees. Whew, what a beautiful, beautiful time. So you like riding motorcycles now?
I like you.
You like me?
I love you.
Oh, goodness. This is an adventure.
I know, for some reason, I think it's just the nice weather and everything. I'm getting sleepy.
Well, that's what a motorcycle, good. I'm trying to drive slow.
Yep.
Smooth on the gear changes, you know, slow around the curves. Trying to make my baby happy and safe and comfortable, you know?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I can't fall asleep. I gotta hold on tight.
If you don't go to the motorcycle rally, the one me and David are talking about going to, Anthony, I may take the Ducati instead of the Harley. I mean, you've seen a rally. You don't go, there's no fast roads or anything, so.
I'm worried about that.
No. I mean, plus David and Anthony can't keep up, so I can't go nowhere, right? Right?
I was planning on, I'm gonna try to figure it out.
Oh, I do smell that fishy smell a little bit.
Yeah, it stinks.
Yeah.
Nasty.
All right. Sounds like a waterfall over there, doesn't it?
Sure does. I wonder if the water's just really loud coming around that island.
Or that could be the steel mills where I used to work. The ones in Arkansas, they're right over there.
They're that loud?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they're real loud. Real loud. Huh? What? Huh? I can't hear you, baby. What?
Oh, goodness.
All right, well, we're gonna get back on the road. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little adventure. Tour, yeah. This is the Muddy Mississippi on the western side of Tennessee and Shelby Forest State Park, right? Meeman Shelby? No, that's one south of here, right? Meeman Shelby?
It's the same.
Oh, same thing? Okay.
Meeman Shelby Forest. It's the same thing.
All right, guys.
I think.
If you liked our little adventure today, I know it's a little bit different. Give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. It's always
100% free.
hit that notification bell right down there to be notified.
Anytime a new video comes out.
And until next time, I hope everyone has a blessed day. Keep rambling.
Go RidgeLife.
Woo! Mwah. Rum, rum.
Oh my goodness.